Leetcode daily challenge. It is an easy problem. 1, 5, 2, 3. Count all numbers in an interval range. Say for this range from 3 to 7, we can use high minus low to get the gap. The gap gonna be 4. And to get the number of odd number, obviously the odd number will be half of the total number. So we can, if we can get a h minus l divided by 2. But sometimes there will be some edge cases, for example, for 3 to 7, and the gap is actually from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, actually 5. We want to add one more for this gap. Some other cases will be, say, 8 to 10 versus 8 to 11, or 8 to 10 versus 7 to 9. These will be the edge cases we have to put into consideration. Otherwise, the basic idea will be to get the number of to get the gap, then divide by 2.